into our meal today.
MashaAllah, that's a lot of khachi. And berberhoon.
Amazing. You already know what time it is. Yeah, Hilib Gil on Thursdays. That's our routine.
Gela caanihiisaan cabnaa, hilibkiisaan cunnaa. Gurigii hilibka.
The camel meat merchant.
Camel meat man.
Yep, Somalis survive.
Xataa hadday iibinayaan way u heesayaan. That's how important camel is to Somalis.
It's the famous cutting without a chopping board. That doesn't matter. Just a little bit of documentation on mom's. Mom's two sheep found her today. Oh. Intaasad warka haysaa markaa. We are working on chawana ciid laga buuxinaya kawde. And we're gonna do a few more of these because it worked really well. This one is full of manure and we're gonna go mix it all up. This one?
These are nuts.
I didn't know you was a cootie in your last life.
I was everything, everything.
Wow, so it's super cool.
I also share. I was a farmer, coolie, engineer, mom, everything, you name it. Driver. Okay, now you went. Now I'm going to
Yeah, I think it's only going to be one. Put some food scraps in there too.
Now you have to make a holes to put the potatoes.
Yeah. Gonna go cut all the sweet potatoes from the farm, all their leaves, and then poke them in there, just like this. Okay, there we are. We are gonna start planting. These are also little bits of ginger I'm gonna stick in with the other ginger actually. Hello. They needed a shower, I know. Sorry, guys.